Y'all, it's Sunday. We got back from Houston about 4 o'clock, and the party was fun. It was a good Sunday. Right now I'm just sitting here editing last week's vlog, this past week's vlog that I haven't touched the vlog the whole week. So I'm trying to see how long it's gonna be and all that, cut things out and all that. So I'm just sitting here editing this vlog. The kids are watching Descendants. Michael's looking at me while I'm vlogging. Something you want to say?
I don't know, you throw shade a lot. I was just making sure you wouldn't get shady.
No shade, the truth. That's what I spit.
What did you say?
Michael's looking at me.
No, that's all I said.
Michael's looking at me.
Shady?
Do what?
Wasn't nothing shady?
No, I don't throw shade. So I'm just sitting here literally trying to edit this vlog. Y'all, I love doing YouTube, but the thing that I hate doing is editing. And since I started back YouTube, somebody had promised to start helping me edit my videos. And to say that I've been back for 2 months, he has not edited not one video yet. Not one.
The first video that she posted up was the one that I edited. So don't let her try to play me, y'all.
So one out of the, I mean, I do twice a week. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 something videos.
While she's editing, I deal with them.
Who's sitting down watching Descendants. So ain't nothing to do with because you were watching it with them. So
They about to go take a bath. They about to go take a bath.
Anyway.
See, look, see, the truth. Come on, speak the truth. Camera falling because it's there the truth being told.
I'm sitting here editing this vlog footage from the weekend, and I'm trying to make it incorporated to be kind of, you know, different and stuff. So that's what I'm doing on my Sunday is editing. So happy Sunday. It's going to be a great week in Jesus' name. Amen.
Hey guys.
What are you doing?
Hey guys, so today my parents are doing their nighttime routine. Look at them. Beautiful couple, am I right?
Y'all, still Sunday, but we're about to tackle this room full of boxes and stuff. So we're about to go through all of this stuff and start taking out stuff that doesn't, stuff that's for us and stuff that's for gifts, and try to go through all this and start wrapping some gifts tonight. So that's going to be our Sunday nights. Y'all see my face? Looks like I've been sunburnt, huh?
Yeah.
Nope. I just used the wrong foundation today, and my face is very oily. I look a hot mess. So we're gonna just ignore. Mila wants to show y'all what Fred brought her today. Fred brought Mila and Malia this little elf on the shelf light up fan things. I think he got it from Michael's. I'm sure he found it from Michael's. So that's what Fred brought Mila and Malia today, and it was full of candy down here, and I'm sure they've already ate the candy. So anywho, it's Monday, and I'm about to start.
I love mine.
Yes, yours. I'm about to start cooking. I'm actually gonna do, can you turn your iPad down, please? This chicken fried steak with bacon jalapeno gravy. So I'm gonna try this. It's a TikTok. I love this guy's TikTok. His name is Colby Cash. He does really good recipes. So I'm gonna do his recipe tonight with the chicken fried steak and see how it comes out. I've made actually 4 or 5 of his recipes and they all came out good. So I'm going to make one tonight. I got all the stuff, surprisingly, so I'm going to make it.
Mama,
Just a little bit. Chicken fried, cube steak is what I need.
Mommy,
I don't know why I've been so tired. They saw Fred already. They saw Fred, sweetheart. I have like the don't wants. I don't want to do anything but just like lay around and do nothing. I have no energy, no motivation. I'm gonna shake it off. I'm gonna shake it off and get going. So let's start cooking. Show y'all my chair covers I got for my table. I told you guys I was adding some garland in between. I just don't have the batteries to put it in, but it lights up. I'm gonna find some. But here is my chair covers. I love them. Yeah, and we wrapped. Y'all saw I was wrapping those presents last night. So we got a tree full. I did pink and green on my tree 3 years ago. So I was trying to use up all the wrapping paper that I had. So I have all of that almost done. So I'll have to buy some more. Hopefully it'll match the black and white and red of my tree is now. Can you put the presents down? Thank you. Anyways, that's what I was saying. I got these off of Amazon. I absolutely love these chair backs. It just makes it look so Christmassy. All the different plaids of what I wanted. So I'm excited about that. Can you go put that back under the tree? What's up, y'all? It's Wednesday.
Hey, look, I can do this.
And we're sitting here in a dilemma, not sure what to do. I took some chili out the freezer and I put it in the sink filled with water. However, the bag had a hole in it and the whole bag got filled with water. So I was like, I just threw the whole bag away because I'm like, I don't want to eat no watered down chili.
Well, if you telling me to throw the bag away and I got the bag and I'm trying to cook the chili.
Somebody took it out of the trash can. It was still in the bag. Somebody took it out of the trash can and it's trying to now heat up the chili.
No, he's not. He's putting it back in the trash can. You got the people thinking he's nasty.
Oh, now you're gonna throw it away because I'm telling you to? You was gonna eat it out the trash can. Now you're not gonna eat it out the trash can for the people? Anyway, so we don't know what we're gonna eat tonight now. I am, we're just not gonna eat tonight. So I don't know what we're gonna eat. Last night we ate, what did we eat last night?
Out?
Yeah, we ate out last night. No, but what did we eat though? Oh, we ate Steamboat Bills. We ate a place here, a local seafood place here that really was not that good to me. My potato wasn't good. Ooh, I want another potato from Rosita's. You want a potato from that place, that Rosita's? No?
You can get one. I'm gonna eat fried eggs and rice. You want some fried eggs and rice?
I don't eat fried eggs and rice. That is disgusting.
No, it's not. Fried eggs and rice is the same thing as fried rice. It's just eggs and rice.
Do y'all eat fried eggs and rice?
All of y'all that grew up eating eggs and rice, comment in the comments below, please.
Alright, so that's our Wednesday, y'all.
What about this bacon?
Pretty much. No, that's my good bacon. You wanna use my good bacon for your fried eggs and rice?
It's all about you and your bacon. You ain't even open the
Y'all,
bacon.
that bacon was $8 for the rice, 6 slices of bacon. You wanna use that in this fried eggs and rice? You better use that bar S bacon and call it a day. Mala has been practicing to get ready for her Christmas program next weekend, so she's excited about it. They're singing Jesus is the reason for the season, yeah.
Yes, oh yes, he is.
Oh yes he is, yeah.
Y'all, it's so funny when she be saying, she be like, Mrs. Donna said I gotta go deep. Oh wait, what'd you say?
The boys do that.
The boys do that. You gotta go deep.
Oh yes he is, yeah.
I was like, Mala, really?
Who got the praise? Me
Oh,
got
the praise. And who you give the praise to?
Jesus.
Say, who got the praise?
Yeah, we got the praise.
Hey, who we give the praise to?
Jesus.
Say, who got the praise?
Yeah, we got the praise. Yeah.
And who you give the praise to?
Jesus.
Say, who got the praise? Yeah.
We got the praise. Yeah.
Santa Claus ain't got nothing on this. Ow!
Jesus is the reason.
All right.
Oh.
Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all. So it is Thursday. And I'm about to do a Bath and Body Works haul. I washed my hair and it's kind of like pulled back, or I took my shower and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works. I ordered everything online. I still had 6 candles from last year. Okay, wait a minute. 6 candles from last year that I still have not burned yet, so I'm gonna take those to work. So at work, I have a candle warmer, and I burn 1 candle per month. And I throw it away after I do it. So I usually mainly burn these at work in my office, and at home too. But I'm gonna show you guys which, let me say, scents I got. I have, this is the new Peach Bellini, and this is the old, and this is the old Peach Bellini from last year that I still have. This is the new packaging of it, but this is like my favorite. Peach Bellini is like my absolute favorite scent. So then I got like 4 of those. I got pineapple mango. That smells really good too. Some of these I just, Peach Bellini. Some of these I just kind of like winged it because I wasn't in store to smell them. Iced cranberry scone. That smells almost too sweet. I'm not a huge like sweets, gingerbread, sugar cookie, all those type of scents. I don't really care for those. I like more like summer, springish scents. Aloha kiwi passion fruit. Excuse my nail, I broke one of my nails. Ooh, this one smells so good. I like that. Next I got mahogany coconut, which I've had this one before, and I remember my whole, like the whole suite at work smelling so good because of this one. I should have got more of these. Some more what, baby? No. Tiki Beach is my favorite as well. Between Tiki Beach and Peach Bellini, oh my God, it smells so good. Yeah, you can get some water, sweetheart. Tiki Beach. I'm not Tiki Beach, you Tiki Beach. Cranberry pear Bellini. Smells really good. I'm not mad at any of these scents. My hair is dripping. Watermelon. Oh, watermelon lemonade. I love these like fruity scents. It just reminds me such like spring, summerish. Linen sheets. It smells very clean. What are you doing, Zoe? Oh, hold on, did she just pee somewhere? All right, pineapple mango is the next scent here. Is it gonna focus? Can you see it? Hope so. Pineapple mango. Okay, linen sheets. That's all of them. So I got a total of 12 candles. Watermelon lemonade. Yep, I got a total of 12 candles to last 1 candle per month. And then I still have, like I said, 6 from last year that I want to bring to work. So that is my little Bath and Body Works haul for today. We're eating some leftover barbecue that I had in the freezer. That's gonna be our dinner. Micah got called out to work, so he's working. So it's just me, Mala, and Malia that are here tonight. Oh, let me show y'all what I got. These are the 6 I have left from last year. Bergamot waters. Oh, that smells so good too, girl.
You guys can't be here. There are laws.
Black tie.
Bad laws are meant to be broken.
It smells very masculine, like cologne-ish. Georgia peach. These are dusty. Watermelon lemonade, of course. Rose water and ivy. That smells very clean.
Mommy!
And of course, Peach Bellini. So that's the 6 I had last year. Yeah, you want to smell it too?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. You like the way it smells? Good. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and fix their food and eat. You want to smell it too? What one does, the other has to do.
Yes!
You like it? I'm about to go put this away, fix our food for dinner. They're watching zombies again. They're addicted to zombies. That's like their thing. They watch it almost every day. Mala knows almost every lyric, every part of the song. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and eat dinner and call it a night. We're at Lowe's today. It's Friday. Tell them hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
So Mike is looking for some lights. What do you call it? Light bulbs. Light bulbs to go
So
to
like
go
we
with
can
his.
build something in the backyard.
Yeah, we're building their Christmas gift. Their Christmas gift.
Oh.
We're putting a Christmas gift in the backyard. So we came to Lowe's to come try to find light bulbs. But I don't think they have what we need. So we might have to go to like Home Depot or somewhere. So we'll see. Good morning.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. It's Saturday morning and the girls and I are doing breakfast. So I'm just doing some bacon, sausage in the oven so I can actually have space to do my other stuff. And I'm doing this bacon today. My expensive bacon he was trying to use the other day. It's gonna be today. And some pancakes, grits, eggs. That's my breakfast for today. And the bacon, yeah. It's raining outside, so we're supposed to put their Christmas gift together this morning, but it's raining today. So we're gonna wait till it kind of calms down. And then I guess go try to do it under the patio. I don't know. We'll see. But it's gonna be our Saturday.